Hello, you're watching InstaForex News. Today we'll talk about the Australian economic situation. The Australian dollar demonstrated a sharp fall in which was provoked by the global financial downturn. However, it means that the Australian dollar will not demonstrate a positive dynamics again. The fundamental indicators of the Australian economy are still favorable. When the world investors' confidence recovers and the liquidity situation improves on the market, the Australian dollar will solidify. The Australian currency downtrend was really magnificent. Last week, the Australian dollar-US dollar pair lowered to 10-month minimum of 0.80 amid the concerns regarding the default risk distribution in the Eurozone to the global economy on the whole. Instead of withdrawing funds from euro-denominated assets, the investors started selling currencies of other countries such as Australia, which is the leader of recovering countries in the world economy. The fears regarding that the revival will be slower than expected have led to price cut for raw commodities, including the gold and crude oil prices. Such tendency reflects the general prospects of the global demand easing. According to the reports, the Chinese authorities are still trying to slow down the economic activity pace in the country, and the government of China can apply to the Chinese yuan revaluation. These conditions increased the downward pressure on the Australian currency. The Aussie lowering became so sharp at the end of the last week that the investors started speaking about the possibility of the intervention from the Australian Reserve Bank. The Australian currency showed the same downside movement which was seen at the credit crisis beginning in 2007. Although the world financial market concernment is likely to stay for a while and the liquidity may fix at a low level, there is a probability of that any recovery sign will put the Australian dollar to the top of the asset list, which is of the biggest investors' interest. It was Forex News provided to you by InstaForex News team. Goodbye.